PHP redirect. Very good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to start working on PHP redirect. In my previous lesson, I have just explained how to display the first program in PHP, the hello world. Now, redirection. Proceeding further about so many these things which we are going to deal in. The first thing which we are going to do, a smaller things which I am going to discuss because these things are very much important as we start learning PHP. We are going to start with how we can redirect a page from one page to the other because things might get confused later on. These things are very much needed. Now, PHP redirect mechanism is used to navigate the user from one page to another without clicking any hyperlinks. This will be very helpful in such circumstances where redirect should be done in the background. For example, when the user is accessing the payment gateway, the redirect should automatically be taken place to notify URL using PHP script. PHP provides predefined function named header for URL redirection. Using the header function, we need to send the location. We need to send header location by specifying URL to which page should be redirected. Unlike JavaScript, redirect, where there are several ways to handle URL redirect, works based on the browser. PHP avoids such function and have header function create the name effect in all browsers. For that only we have concluded with JavaScript redirect article that server side redirect is preferable, which I am going to show you later in my tutorial. Now first let us, this is the syntax of PHP redirect. There is a header, then we give the location and the target URL. In the above syntax of PHP redirect, we need to replace with valid URL to which we want to move. We can specify either absolute URL or relative URL for this location header. If we specify relative URL, it will search for the page in our domain where we exist. Now, before specifying page URL for location header, we must make sure that the page exists. Now, we need to have caution before redirect. Before executing PHP redirect, we should ensure about no output is sent to the browser before the line where we call the header function. For example, this one. This is going to show an error. Now this script will display the following notice to the web browser and it is not applicable to the header function. Rather, for all PHP functions like set cookie, session start and etc. Whatever can modify the header. For that we should remove all content which will stop sending location header to the browser. Possible ways of sending output is HTML content like text and tags, unnecessary white space before PHP delimiters. Unnecessary white space refers to any of the space. Suppose this is the PHP code and we give a space over here. This is causing error or this may cause error, not this one. But if we give an error this side, so this may cause an error. This is the unnecessary white space before PHP delimiters. PHP error or warning notices that occur before calling the redirect. Now PHP print statements like echo and print. Now safety measures from output being sent before PHP redirect. Since HTML content should be sent before the redirect, we can separate PHP logic from HTML content. From being in the safety side, we can put exec command after redirect statement of PHP file. For example, header, then we can give any file location. We can enable PHP output buffering to stop sending output to the browser and store into a buffer instead, for example. Now these things are very much important, and now first let us try about this one. As per this is going to show an error. Now see, we are going to redirect it to another page. Now this page is going to give us an error. Now since why this is going showing an error, because it is not inside a PHP delimiters. So we need to put this in the PHP delimiters. These are the PHP codes. So what we have done here, all these things I have pasted it here inside the PHP. Removing all these things, now you can see that it is going to display this, then this. But as per the rule, it should display an error. The request URL not found on the server. So this was an error because it was not found on the server. So what we are going to do, first we are going to create another page. Let us create another page, and in this page we have just removed the redirection, and we are going to save it with test.php. And in this page we are going to display test.php. Now let us have a look to the other displayed page, what it is going to do. Hello world, it is going to display, it has redirected the page to the another page, to test page. Now see here, in this page, before this page we have a echo redirect. Now due to header modification and due to the local server, these codes are being only executed on the local server. When you work on online server, I would like to tell you that I work every day on several projects online. Such type of codes give an error to us. Now you can see that these set of codes, this is test.php, and in this it is going to display hello world PHP redirect. Now when we are going to execute this echo world echo.php, it got redirected to test.php, echo.php, and it got redirected to test.php. In practical, when you work on live, these things are going to show an error, so you can put it in command bar, because we cannot display anything just above removing the redirecting the page, and these things are very much important when you work on live projects. Now again, this is not going to create a problem because we are not going to display anything before the redirection. Now let us have a look. It got redirected to the next page. Now in the next page what we have, hello world PHP redirect hello world. Hello world PHP redirect hello world. Now what is happening? Now let us, so these are the things which you need to take care while you are working with the PHP redirect and header. Now these type of errors which you see, that the error if you cannot modify header location, headers already sent by. Now these are the errors which we get, which we receive when you work on the live server. So you need to take care of these things.